It's Addison and Kaylee. And we just stopped by and got our Texas at Snowflake Designs. It's amazing. This is the front and bye!
Yes.
It's mesh. This is also mesh and then it has sparkles around it. Yeah. Ooh, these are also some ombre. For those ombre lovers. And I have this. Let's go. The backs are so
Beautiful leotard.
Look at the back.
I like these. Go.
Let's go. These are the elephant prints.
I love prints.
King. Hey, don't you have this one? Yeah. I have this one.
These are the mermaid Mios and some other really cool patterns. Owls, just very beautiful.
Addison has this one.
And I just got this.
And I got this one. Oh, it's awesome. And this one. Okay. Oh, I have this one.
These are very cute over here, like very.
They really are. Are they beautiful? Let's
like
talk
a beauty
more.
training like a beast. Go. Wait, they're talking.
And just like that. This is our friend Miss Ladonna.
Say hi, Miss LaDonna.
No. Kayla, I need this hand. Yeah, a little bit. Good. And move closer to each other. There you go. Perfect.